Here's why most entrepreneurs are failing to harness AI and how you can avoid making their same mistakes. Many get stuck chasing shiny new tools or overwhelmed by updates, while others ignore AI altogether, thinking that it's overhyped. The truth is that by 2030, up to 39% of today's skills will become obsolete, and roles requiring AI expertise are among the fastest growing globally. The entrepreneurs thriving in 2025 won't be those who work harder, they'll be those who work smarter by mastering four essential AI skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how these skills can future-proof your business and how you can start applying them today. The first skill every entrepreneur needs is the power to build. By 2030, technology-related roles like AI specialists and software developers are expected to grow by over 30%, according to the World Economic Forum. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a coder to build anymore. With AI tools like Replit and Bolt, you can create apps, website, and tools by simply describing what you want in plain English. Imagine this. You need a custom calculator for pricing or a simple app for client bookings. Normally, you'll pay thousands of dollars and wait weeks for a developer. With AI, you can build these for yourself in minutes. One entrepreneur used AI to create a lead generation tool for his agency. It took 5 minutes, cost nothing, and worked perfectly. Tools like these give you the ability to turn ideas into solutions instantly, giving you a massive edge over your competition. The second essential skill is mastering the power to automate. According to the WEF report, automation is expected to displace 9 million jobs globally by 2030. It will also create millions of opportunities for those who leverage it effectively. Think about all the repetitive tasks you handle daily: answering emails, scheduling, updating spreadsheets. AI can handle all of this for you. Tools like Zapier and Make.com let you connect your apps and automate workflows seamlessly. Or if you want to go even further than that, you can create AI agents, digital workers that operate 24/7 with zero complaints. Here's a practical example. Instead of hiring a virtual assistant to respond to emails, I created an AI-powered agent that drafts responses automatically. The result? I saved hours every week and redirected my time towards things that really matter to scale my business. Mastering automation doesn't just save time, it creates systems that grow your business while you focus on what matters most. The third skill is the power to create. Content is king, and whether it's for marketing, pitching, or engaging customers, you need high-quality content to stand out. But here's the problem. Creating professional-grade content is expensive and time-consuming. AI solves this. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Runway AI, you can create stunning visuals, videos, and even music in minutes. Need a logo for a new product? Done. A promotional video? Done. These tools don't just speed up the process, they open creative possibilities you couldn't even imagine. Take Runway AI for instance. I know creators who use this to produce entire ad campaigns at a fraction of what it used to cost them. If you master AI content creation, you won't just keep up with competitors, you'll leave them in the dust. The final skill you need is the power to connect. By 2030, 70% of companies plan to prioritize hiring talent with AI and big data skills. Why? Because business thrives on relationships and the ability to build influence has never been more critical. AI can amplify your efforts here. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT help you write content for LinkedIn, blogs, or even YouTube scripts like this one. And it's not just about creating content, it's about distributing it effectively. For instance, by combining AI tools with automation, you can repurpose a single blog post into multiple social media formats, saving time while reaching more people. For me, using AI to build my personal brand on YouTube and LinkedIn changed everything. In 2 years, I grew my audience, landed partnerships, and unlocked opportunities I never thought possible. If you're not building influence with AI, you're leaving money and growth on the table. So to recap, the 4 essential AI skills every entrepreneur needs are the power to build, create software and tools without coding, the power to automate, set up systems that save you time and effort, the power to create, produce professional-grade content in minutes, and most importantly, the power to connect, build influence, and scale your reach. These skills aren't just optional, they're essential. With automation expected to handle 47% of work tasks by 2030, Mastering AI gives you the adaptability to not just survive, but to thrive in the future of work. If this video gave you clarity on how to use AI to grow your business, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more actionable strategies. Let me know in the comments which skill you're excited to learn first, and I'll see you in the next video.
Walking down the street, Fitz got his shades on tight. Coda by his side, hips swinging left and right. They own the city lights, yeah, the kings of the night. Step into the rhythm, everything feels just right.